Jamaica to start issuing e-passports to members of the public according to the Passport Immigration and Citizenship Agency (PICA). Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. On Friday, March 31, 2023, the Passport Immigration and Citizenship Agency (PICA) is to go live with a new high-level security e-passport document to members of the public. PICA has since been taking steps over the years to secure Jamaica's passport as part of its efforts to safeguard the identity of Jamaicans and the Jamaican travel document, and the e-passport is the latest initiative in that regard. As the agency goes through the process of upgrading its passport system by providing a better quality product, it's reassuring the public that the passports that have been previously issued are still valid up until the date of expiration, and there is no need for the change just yet. Also, PICA says that there will be no increase in the fees associated with the introduction of the e-passport. An e-passport is an electronic machine-readable passport which is embedded with a microchip that stores a digital version of the holder's biological data. The chip also has a unique digital signature specific to that individual and also the country, and is activated once the chip is encoded. PICA states that the e-passport is a robust biometric document which added layers of security that can aid in the fight against new and emerging threats to identity theft and national security. The introduction of the e-passport in Jamaica will see the nation joining more than 150 countries that use the e-passports, including 11 of its CARICOM neighbors, said the agency in a release on Friday. PICA said that its decision to issue the document is aimed at facilitating greater confidence in the acceptance of the Jamaican passport for travel facilitation globally. PICA further added that the move will now ensure that the country's passport is aligned with greater growing number of countries using the e-passports. The new document will bear the e-passport logo that's used by all e-passports issuing countries and also around the world. Commenting on the development, PICA Chief Executive Officer Andrew Winter said that the introduction of the e-passport at this time is necessary to bring Jamaica in line with the emerging trends globally, he said. Over the years, PICA have been infusing state-of-the-art technology into its operation to equip the agency with effectively undertaking the mandate of securing Jamaica's borders and safeguarding its sovereignty by providing quality service and products to its citizens. The CEO further added that effective identity and border security will bring Jamaica in line with its global partners. According to Winter, the e-passport initiative is aligned with PICA's strategic objective of enhancing travel facilitation through risk-based and data-driven inspection and indication that will help to support the country's realization of its Vision 2030 objectives. As it stands, the Jamaican passport eligibility states Jamaican passports are issued to Jamaican citizens. This is in accordance with the Passport Act of 1962 and the Passport Regulation of 1962, last amended December 2022-2013. All passport applicants are required to submit proof of citizenship and identity to an authorized officer. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.